Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can enable cookies, like third-party cookies on Google Chrome web browser. So let us get started right away. Launch the Google Chrome web browser, and what you want to do after that is click on the three dots in the top right and click into settings here to access your browser settings. And here inside your browser settings, head over to privacy and security here on the left hand side. And here under privacy and security, simply click on third-party cookies and set a rule. Like for example, you may allow third-party cookies to be enabled by selecting this option here, or block third-party cookies entirely by clicking this option. And after that, you'll be given the opportunity, for example, to add exceptions to these rules by, for example, adding exceptions here under add sites allowed to use third-party cookies. So even if you block these third-party cookies, you may be given the opportunity to add exceptions or apply exceptional rules for specific websites by entering the URL address here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you enable cookies on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.